Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how Google Ads works. And to get started with, Google Ads is just basically the advertising network behind Google and YouTube. And what happens is that when people create ads in Google Ads, those ads can appear either on the Google search engine and or on the YouTube search engine. And for each click that person that created the ad gets, they'll have to pay an X amount for it. Here's an example of what this looks like. If somebody heads over to YouTube and they type in how to lose belly fat or any kind of keyword, in this particular case, you see this right here where it says sponsored. This is an ad that somebody created on Google Ads to pop up for me or for whoever types in how to lose belly fat. Same thing on Google. If somebody goes into the Google search engine and types in how to lose belly fat and they scroll down the search results, here where it says sponsored, this is a Google ad. If I click on this, the advertiser that set this up will pay an X amount to Google Ads. Now, the way that Google Ads works is that you can potentially get a lot of clicks and traffic from the ads that you create on Google and or on YouTube, which again is part of the Google Ads network, get a lot of visitors to whatever it is that you're promoting, and potentially make a good income from the back end. So the way that this works is, let's imagine for a second that the term how to lose belly fat in Google search alone gets, let's say, 100,000 clicks or 100,000 searches every single month. Somebody creates an ad on this and they get maybe, let's say, 10,000 clicks every single month for the ad that they create. Then they promote something, then they pay, let's say, $1,000 for it, but they make $5,000 on the back end. They will have made $4,000 from this ad itself in profit. That's basically the way that it works. You're trying to create Google Ads to pop up for popular search terms so you can get a lot of clicks and traffic and potentially make good money and make money from your business. That's what I personally use it for. I typically do what's known as affiliate marketing, where I basically create Google Ads on keywords like these or other ones as well, and I promote relevant offers for which I get a commission for each time a sale is made. Here's actually some of my stats in this business. Here's some other ones, and about 30% of the numbers that you see here actually come from using Google Ads. And typically the way that it works is you create the ad steers to some kind of website that promotes whatever it is that I'm promoting, and that steers people to the actual offer itself where I get paid a commission for. Now some people, many people in fact, use Google Ads in addition to affiliate marketing. They use it to promote their businesses. Maybe they have some kind of courses. Maybe they have some kind of physical business that they're trying to get more exposure to and stuff like that. Google Ads can be used for all of those purposes and potentially be very lucrative for you. Now, like I was saying earlier, you do have to pay for every single click that your ad gets. If it's on YouTube, then you pay for what's known as every single view that you get, which is kind of like a click. But here's actually a quick look at what my ads look like. So for the past 30 days, I got over 2,500 clicks. Impressions is how many times those ads popped up for the keywords that I wanted my ad to pop up for. Average CPC means how much I'm spending for every single click, which is 13 cents. Typically people spend over $1 on each click, so the less that you spend on every click, the better, because you get to save more money. And overall, I spent over $330 in total to do that. Now, obviously on the back end, I will want to have made more sales, which I have. Like I said before, some of those sales are not directly through Google Ads, but it's more than enough to cover these costs. So that in a nutshell is how Google Ads works. I've been using it for a very long time, including creating YouTube ads through it. The thing to know is that it does cost money to do it. So if you're someone that is tight on money, I would not recommend that you get started with that until you can afford it, but it can potentially be very lucrative for you. There are there's a couple of nuances to it where you have to know how to create the ads, how to create a good funnel from Google Ads so you have more potential chances of making money from it. But this is something that I get into in much more detail in other videos. And if to finish up, if you are someone that is new to making money online, to Google Ads, perhaps with affiliate marketing, and you're looking to get started with it and need help, there is a link that I will leave below this video in the description and pinned comment, which showcases the #1 recommended program that I personally use to get to where I am in this business with my knowledge of Google Ads and all the other stuff that I do to make money online. This is a program that's free to try, very beginner friendly, has a lot of success stories, including my own. So check that out if you're interested. But other than that, I do hope that this short video was clear in explaining how Google Ads works. And if you do have questions about it, feel free to message me in the comments section below. Or if you have any other questions about other topics you want me to cover on this type of stuff, let me know as well. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.